Hello everybody, my name is Arash and I'll be your instructor in this tutorial. And welcome to Nexttut's Games Environment Art Masterclass. In this tutorial, we will go and create a temple scene. And we're gonna introduce the blacksmith mentality. And what is the blacksmith mentality? We're gonna work just like blacksmith does. And the blacksmith always have the raw material. They have materials just like wood, iron, plastic, and they craft a new identity every time. We're gonna treat the environment just like that. We're gonna create some kits that are gonna be the raw materials, and then we will go create a world with them, just like the Lego pieces. And we're gonna create a small kits to create a large world with them. And you're gonna see how we do it in the tutorial. So your job as an environment artist is to deliver a good result every time. But it's not that. We're gonna learn together how to create an environment and deliver a good result, but as fast as possible, and to be able to reuse as much content as possible that you have created previously. And for a lot of times, we do not create new identities. We go and reuse the same thing to cut the production time in half. And we're gonna create everything modular in this environment. Even the cave that you see we have created is modular. We've created smaller kits, and then we will kitbash them together to create a strong environment together. Of course, we do not forget about material creation. We're gonna create some materials that are versatile enough to cover a lot of situations. And when we made sure that everything is alright, we will go and create a lighting and post-processing as well. And a good scene without the lighting is nothing. So we're gonna create a good lighting mood depending on the compositional rules. So if you are interested in discovering some new workflows for creating game environments, come join me in this one. My name is Arash from Nexttut. Looking forward to have a great learning experience together. Okay, see you in the course.